Hello millionaires, welcome to Millionaire's Choice Club. For ages, one of the key attractions for millionaires has been watches. Millionaires like to spend their hard-earned money on high-end luxury watches. Watches have been a symbol of status and class for decades. Watches represent your personality. It introduces you to the world without speaking a word. Well, you know what they say. You can judge someone's taste by the choice of watch he or she wears. In today's video, we are going to unveil Rolex's top releases of 2021. Rolex have been the top choice of millionaires since the start. Whether you have just entered the Millionaires Club or have been a seasonal millionaire, you need to have a Rolex in your collection. From celebrities to sports personalities, everyone has been a Rolex member. It is truly a millionaire's choice. Let us have a look at our collection of the year. Rolex started the season with Rolex Oyster Perpetual 36. The light reflections on the case sides highlight the elegant profile of the Oyster case. Made from Oyster steel and measuring 36 mm, this Rolex is fitted with a domed bezel. The new generation of the Oyster Perpetual model has a chroma light display, satin finish with polished side in the middle. Folding Oyster clasp in the bracelet gives it a solid grip. It comes in 5 dial color variant: green lacquer, coral red lacquer, yellow lacquer, turquoise blue lacquer, candy pink lacquer. The next up is the new Rolex Lady-Datejust. The Lady-Datejust measures 28 mm. The Oyster case is a perfect blend of proportion, robustness and elegance. The middle case is crafted from a solid block of highly corrosion-resistant Oyster steel or 18-karat gold. It comes with a waterproof guarantee to a depth of 100 meters. That's just incredible. The Lady-Datejust is equipped with caliber 2236, a self-winding mechanical movement entirely developed and manufactured by Rolex. Its architecture makes it exceptionally precise and reliable. Caliber 2236 is fitted with a Siloxy hairspring in silicone patent. It comes in with a Jubilee bracelet that is fitted with a crown clasp. It's also available in prestigious President bracelet. The Rolex's Lady-Datejust has remained favorite of all women millionaire out there. Now comes Rolex's Explorer and Explorer 2. Rolex was able to test both of these watches in real life by equipping polar, mountaineering and caving expeditions over many years. Explorers, mountaineers and scientists took Explorer and Explorer 2 watches to places that tested their reliability in the toughest conditions, hence leading to a creation of a masterpiece. Explorer is a tool watch, created to tell time accurately, whatever the circumstances. The Explorer's chromolite hour markers and hands contain luminescent material that emits a lasting blue glow, ensuring excellent legibility even in the dark. In short, long after the light dies, you can still tell the time. On the other hand, Explorer 2 features a date display, an additional orange 24-hour hand, and a fixed bezel with 24-hour graduations, enabling day to be distinguished from night. It has become the watch of choice for speleologists, volcanologists and polar explorers over the years. The additional arrow-shaped 24-hour hand of the Explorer 2 circles the dial once a day and is used in relation to the engraved fixed bezel. It can indicate the time in a second time zone or show the time in 24-hour format. This is a great practical option in places where distinguishing day from night is impossible, such as at the poles or in caves. Don't you think that's amazing? The Explorer is available in Oyster steel or in a yellow Rolex version, whereas the Explorer 2 watches are made of Oyster steel. The twin-lock winding crown on the Explorer and Explorer 2 is fitted with a double waterproofness system. Guaranteed waterproof to 100 meters, the Explorer is equipped with caliber 3230, whereas the Explorer 2 with caliber 3285, both self-winding mechanical movements. Well, the Explorers are one of my favorites from Rolex's collection. Rolex closed the half-yearly launch with the Cosmograph Daytona. Daytona is the ultimate watch for those with a passion for driving and speed. It was designed to meet the demands of professional racing drivers back in the days. It is known for its symmetry and balance. Its chronograph allows the driver to measure elapsed time, which is displayed in hours, minutes and seconds on the dial. Its bezel feature has a tachymetric scale to read average speed over a given distance, based on elapsed time. The Cosmograph Daytona is equipped with caliber 4130. Its caliber 4130's performance stems particularly from the use of a vertical, instead of a lateral clutch to activate the chronograph. Overall, these were major launches of Rolex till the mid-year. I am very excited for the second half. Let's see how that rolls out. By the time, tell us which one is your favorite Rolex. And don't forget to like and subscribe.